So one of the cool things to do if you ever come to DC is go up to the tippy top of the Washington Monument. There's some really great views up there. And if you come the morning of for standby tickets, it's free. But who wants to go early in the morning? If you look online at 10 a.m. the day before, they release tickets. And if you book way in advance, like 2 months in advance, you can get the tickets as well. So it's $1 to book online, but it's well worth it for the tour. So we had the 4 o'clock tickets. We were really late, and we got here at 4:03, and they were just barely letting in the 4 o'clock group. So.
Oh, awesome! Hello. Oh, you have a company here. Who's your company?
Oh, this is Brooke.
Oh, hello, Brooke.
Hi, YouTubers.
You want to say something for the audience?
Not right now, but maybe think something funny.
Okay.
As you enter the Washington Monument, you go through some airport-style security and then some bank vault-style doors, both of which they did not let me film. Washington Monument, you might see like red evil eyes at the top. This is the light right here. It really feels like it's swaying up here. I don't know if I'm just getting vertigo from being up so high, or if it is. Do you think it's swaying, Ahmed?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, it's making me feel a little motion sickness. So all the bricks in the Washington Monument are just held together by gravity. So when you're up here, they have this glass in front of the bricks, so you can't push them because they're more likely to fall if you push them because there's less bricks on top of them, keeping them stable. I think that's pretty cool. You guys ready for some tippy top action? Oh, that doesn't sound good.